Okay, folks, now the question here is, can we, from looking at the graph, can we get the equation of the polynomial? And we're going to use these intercepts. So first of all, that goes through, and that bounces off. So that's going to be just odd, and even. And we want to make this as small as possible, so you'll see what I mean. So what I mean is now we have y equals a. A is some constant, which I'm going to try to figure out, times x plus 2 to the first power, because it goes through at -2. X plus 1 just to the first power, because it goes through at -1. And x minus 3 to the second power, because it bounces off at 3. Now we just have to solve for a. Well, I'm going to use the y-intercept to solve for a, because I'm going to set y equal to, I'm going to set y equal to -6 and x equal to 0, and look what happens. Well, again, I'm going to set y equal to -6, because I have that right here, which means x equals 0. So I get -6 is equal to a times 2 times 1, that's 0 plus 1, times -3 squared, because all those x's disappeared, they became zeros, and that comes out to positive 18. So -6 is equal to 18a. Divide everything by 18, I get a equals -1/3. And my final equation is y equals -1/3, x plus 2, x plus 1, x minus 3 squared. I'm not surprised that that's a -1/3. Well, that's a negative number, because you see this thing is facing down. It's pointing down, so I actually expected it to be negative. Yay!